Today we are going to discuss about coal and petroleum. So let us start with this topic.
Let us start with the chapter coal and petroleum. Now, first of all, what are resources? Resources are those substances or materials which are used by humans to fulfill their needs. Now, those resources which we can obtain from nature are called natural resources. Now, natural resources are of two types: inexhaustible natural resources and exhaustible natural resources. ओके हमारे पास ये दो टाइप्स के नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज होते हैं. नाउ inexhaustible natural resources, the resources which are available in unlimited quantity in nature, for example sunlight and air. अब इनको हम renewable natural resources भी कहते हैं. ठीक है, लाइक जैसे कि सनलाइट है. ठीक है, वी आर गेटिंग एनर्जी फ्रॉम सनलाइट डेली. ओके, हमें ये बार बार मिल सकती है. ओके, we can obtain it again and again, so these are renewable in nature. Now, exhaustible natural resources, these are those resources which are limited in nature. Okay, for example forests, wildlife, minerals, coal, petroleum and natural gas, etc. Okay, these are also called non renewable natural resources. Okay, like ये लिमिटेड क्वांटिटी में है. ओके, अगर ये एक बार ख़त्म हो जाए देन इट विल टेक मिलियन ऑफ ईयर्स टू rebuild them. Okay, now let us discuss about coal. Coal is one of the fossil fuels, okay, which we are using to cook food, and they are also used in railway engines to produce steam to run engine. Okay, now we all know that coal burns and it produces carbon dioxide gas in the presence of air. Now हमें जो कोल है वो कैसे मिलता है? We get coal from the coal mines and it is a natural resource and inexhaustible in nature. Now थ्योरी क्या कहती है कि जो कोल है, ओके, हाउ it will form like 300 million years ago. Like plants and dead animals, they are buried under the earth, and over years with heat and high pressure they are converted, those materials are converted into coal. Now we can see coal in given picture, and this is a picture of coal mine, okay, from which we get coal. Now next, coke. Now what is coke and what is coal tar? Now coke, it is a tough, porous and black substance. It is almost the purest form of carbon. Now जो coal है, when we are calcine coal, okay, at very high temperature we get coke, and it is less volatile as compared to coal, and it can be used in the manufacturing of steel. This is the image of coke. Now what is coal tar? Now it is a black thick liquid with an unpleasant smell. Okay, जब हम जो coal है, okay, when we are converting that coal into coke, we are getting coal tar as a byproduct. Okay, now this coal tar is also used in industries like synthetic dyes industries, drugs and explosives, etc. Okay, this is coal tar. This, okay. Next, petroleum. Now what this word petroleum represent? Petro means rock and oleum means oil, means the oil which we get from rock. Now petroleum क्या होता है? पेट्रोलियम जो है, इट इज़ अ मिक्सचर ऑफ वेरियस कंपोनेंट्स, लाइक वी गेट पेट्रोलियम गैस, पेट्रोल, डीजल, lubricating oil and paraffin wax, etc. And we separate all these by a process which we call refining. Now petroleum was formed from organisms living in the sea. Okay, अब जो पेट्रोलियम है वो like we had discussed about coal. A million years ago, the organisms under the sea are buried, okay, by soil or by like mountains, and under pressure and heat they are converted into petroleum. Now when we are now how we get this? Now we can see in this given image, when we are digging the rock, now first we will get gas, okay, petroleum gas, then we will get oil, okay, then here is water. Now why this oil and this water do not mix? As we know that oil and gas are lighter than water, so water, okay, water which is present under the rock, okay, and oil, our petroleum, they do not mix together. Now first we so we can easily extract this gas and oil from water. Now next, natural gas. It is very important fossil fuel because it is easy to transport through pipes. Now this is stored under high pressure as compressed natural gas. We can also call it as CNG. Now CNG pipelines exist in some parts of the Delhi and Gujarat. Now this natural gas is also used as fuel, okay. We can see here the pipelines, okay, of CNG. So thank you very much.
So students, I hope you will understand this topic well. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.